Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how you can light yourself for filming with a smartphone. Right now I am filming with a smartphone mounted on a tripod in front of me. I'm using the rear facing camera with the center camera of my Note 20 Ultra. This has got 108 megapixels and that is what is recording me right now. I have got the lighting setup in front of me. I've got two soft boxes here, and then there is another Yongnuo Air LED light here, and then above me there is a aperture LED light illuminating the top of my head and my back. So I am seated about 5 feet away from the phone camera. I've zoomed in and you can see that it is recorded. My face is in full focus and the object behind me with the cactus plant is also in full focus. I've enabled HDR10 plus in the camera and you can see the beautiful rich tonal colors with this camera. I'm filming with the native video app of my phone and this seems to be pretty good. It seems to beat the Pro video app and the Filmic Pro app. Now you can see the colors which have been brought out, the full tonality of the colors. It's possible to get good DSLR effect with your Note 20 Ultra phone, and that is what I am filming now. I hope this video was informative. Let me know what you think about the quality of the video, about the color of this video, the tones of this video. You can visit my YouTube channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC. I've also uploaded videos on rumble.com and the link is rumble.com/MJRC. I'm also available on MeWe, Parler and Twitter. Kindly visit me on those sites, social media sites also. Cheers. Merry Christmas. I'll see you in the next video.